welcome to Grow Faster. Hope you all are happy and doing great. Warren Buffett says that someone is sitting in the shade today because someone had planted a tree long time ago. So today we are here with one of the stock that can be bought and kept for long term, and the stock name is DATAMATICS Global Service Limited. It basically provides global information technology and business process outsourcing and consulting services. Currently, the stock is trading at Rs 293 with a market capitalization of 1726 crores, which is a small cap company. If we see the 52 weeks high and low of the stock, then it has touched the low of Rs 61.5 and high of Rs 330 recently. The stock PE ratio is 16.2 and the book value is 121. Here, if we compare price with book value, then stock price is more than 2 times of book value, which means stock is overvalued, but still stock is looking good because of its overall performance. The return on capital employed is 14.7% and even return on equity is 11.4%, which is a good indication for the stock, and the face value of the stock is Rs 5. If we look at the strength of the stock, then the company with high trailing 12 months EPS growth, high return of equity and EPS growth in net profit with increasing profit margin on quarter and year on year, company with low debt or almost debt free, company with zero promoter pledge. Even FII and FPI or institutions have increased their stakes in this company. If we look at weakness, then though the company is reporting repeated profits, still dividend payout ratio is low. If we see the insights of the stock, then this stock with a consistent financial performance, quality management and strong technical momentum indicating good investor enthusiasm. If we look at the technicals of this stock, then in daily basis it is showing that it is very bullish, and in weekly also it is showing very bullish, and even in monthly also it is showing the stock is very bullish, which is a good sign for the stock. The price performance of the stock has performed very well from the last 3 years. Even the company recently came out with a good quarterly results and with the interim dividend of Rs 2.5 per share. If we look at the financials of this stock, then here you can see the quarterly results. The sales and expenses have been consistent, and even operating profit also increasing in a good way. Including all the items, if we see the profit before tax and profit after tax, it is constantly increasing from last 3 to 4 quarters, which is very good sign for the company, and even the earning price share is also increasing with good ratio. If we see the profit and loss of this company from 2011, it constantly increased with good sales and with good operating profit, and also the profit before tax and profit after tax have been increased in a good way. If we look at the balance sheet of the company, then the share capital is looking good. The surplus of the company is constantly been increased, and even the company has been reduced its borrowings and other liabilities, which is a very good sign for the company. If we see the assets, fixed assets are increased except for the March 2021, but still company have made good amount of money in investments, and even other assets looking good. If we see the overall financials, then the company recently from few years showing strong numbers, and overall the company is looking good for future. If we look at the chart of the stock, the chart was in a price range, and before some days the stock have been risen in a very good way with a good volume because of its strong financial recently. The stock is looking explosive on the charts. If we look at the shareholding pattern of the company, promoters are holding 74.29%, which is a very good sign, and FIIs, FPIs and institutional investors have been increased their stakes in this quarter from 0.11% to 1.21%, which means they are very much interested in this company, and public holding is 24.50%. Finally, DATAMATICS Global Service Limited is looking good in overall, and one can look out for long term because it is showing a good potential for long term with the strong numbers and strong financials. So here we have shown some analysis of stock DATAMATICS Global Service Limited, which can be bought and kept for long term. The stock has been surged already. You can buy at the dips by keeping your stop loss according to your risk appetite. Even in description, we have added one link. In that, you can see the performance of this company in investor presentation on unaudited financial results for Q1 and financial year 2022, which includes company overview, strategy and investment rationale, financial overview, quarterly updates, awards and recognition. Thank you. Have good vibes only. Grow faster, grow better. Please note, this stock analysis is just for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisories before investing in stock.